Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. We're here at the Oliver Sawyer Yards, and we're looking at their fitness center. So this is kind of part one, and this is over here. There's actually two parts. This is part one, and it's very pretty. You can see it's right near the pool deck, so you can grab a really nice workout here, and then dip into the pool anytime. But let's look at what the equipment is here, and there is a lot in this room. This room is a pretty good sized room, but man, there's so much equipment in here. So you can see there's ellipticals, treadmills, there's rowing machines that are there. You can see there's dumbbells. There is just equipment that's free weights here. You can see she's using that over there, and then there's also some spin bikes over here too. So this is just part one. There is quite a lot going on here, and we're about to do part two and see that. So if you like what you see, hang around. We're going to see part two. If you have any questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.